MT10 here, thank you for choosing this video. So what you're about to see is just a mashup of clips of what happened today on the 27th of the 2nd, 2022. We ended up going to New Forest. Maybe it wasn't such a great idea. It was a great ride, but I was invited to a load of other rides, but I chose this because I was 2 up and I thought it would have been nice to go see the scenery. Didn't go over 40 miles an hour for the whole way, but it was fun nonetheless. Now, what you can hear me probably talking in the video is because I'm on a Cardo Pack Bluetooth. So I'm actually talking to other people. You may hear some homophobic remarks or me swearing, but none of it's actually directed at anyone. It was just more just joking around. Thank you. Bye-bye.
There you go. Just leave it in gear. Someone could go there.
Hang on, that's a very expensive MT10.
Yeah. They're all fucking tiny, aren't they, all these girls? Can their parents not feed them? Can their parents not feed them? They're all tiny. Oh. Look at this. 5125. It'll be fun, they said. Yeah. No one knows where they're going. I'm not. We're going. Oh, just follow them, mate. Fucking you two fannying around. I'm gonna follow these guys. I don't give a fuck. Should have sorted out earlier. Just go. I don't give a fuck. Fuck you, McDonald's. Well, you should have sorted it out earlier, shouldn't you? Just follow everyone else. Hopefully there's a toilet down here, because I need the toilet. Oh, bye then. No, we've already told you we're not going fucking McDonald's. I don't know what this guy's doing. Oh, I'm gonna go here, are we? We're going here. Are we going here? I don't know. No, we're not going to McDonald's. Huh? I don't know what's going on. Well, that's what they're saying, but I don't know. Oh my god. Yeah, why are we dealing with you? This is all your fault. Whoever suggested McDonald's, this is your fault. Well, it ain't my fault, is it? Come on, mate, do your 10-point turn, David. Who's that? Some gay guy in skinny tight jeans.